welcome back to the Lazy Girls Kitchen. If you're new, I'm Maggie and welcome. Today we are going to be making like a date dessert. I've been seeing this all over TikTok and I have a nut allergy, so I'm using soy nut butter for this and kind of putting my own spin on it. This honestly is one of the best desserts I've ever made. You can eat it as a snack, as a dessert, whatever, right? So good. My son will eat this, but if I give him like a regular date, won't even touch it, but he'll eat this dessert. So if you have dates you want to use up, or if you want to just try it because it's that good, keep watching.
So we're going to start with our dates. I suggest you get the ones with the pit inside. I find that the ones that are already pitted come very dry. So if you can find them with the pit inside, please get those. You're going to go ahead and remove the pit and then kind of put them half by half, I guess. I don't know, break them in half and lay them flat. I'm just using my hands to kind of flatten them a little bit. And then what I have here is just some soy nut butter. You can use peanut butter. I just microwave it for like 20 seconds to soften it slightly because I do keep it in the fridge, so it's a little bit hard. We're gonna just smooth it out and try to get it all over the dates if you can. And then what I'm gonna do is just drizzle a little bit of honey, not too much, but I think the honey just gives it a little something special. Then I'm gonna put this in the freezer while I go ahead and melt my chocolate. I'm using a whole chocolate bar here. Hershey's is my favorite to use. I think it melts wonderfully, and I like milk chocolate in this. You can definitely use semi-sweet or even dark if you'd like, but I'm a milk chocolate girl all the way. So once that is melted, I'm going to go ahead and take the dates from the freezer and then pour that over the soy nut butter and honey mixture. And then just go ahead and smooth it out the best that you can. Again, just making sure you cover every inch of the surface, and then I'm going to just top it with some unsweetened coconut flakes. You can go ahead and top it with whatever you'd like, but I do coconut, and then we're going to put it into the freezer to set.